Okay, this is Connor and Carson.
And our new website is called, on YouTube, Crazy Kids. We have an iPod.
What
We've
new
already
website? What website?
And we are going to be smashing this,
Carson, what
throwing
website?
it on the ground.
Dude, what website?
And it's gonna be fun. Watch this.
Dude, what website?
I don't know. Ready? Here we go. Connor's gonna do it first.
Okay.
So.
Got it.
There goes the glass out of it.
Dude, you can see the microchips. Oh my gosh.
I don't think it'll turn on.
Dude, you want personal mirror?
Hey, it's a mirror.
You know, little miniature mirror.
Sweet. Let's see if it turns on.
There's no way.
Kind of, right?
Here, let me see. You can see all the microchips and all that. This is awesome.
I know,
And dude,
right?
look, the weird thing is that they have the black glass right there, then the other side is just clear white mirror
I'm
glass.
taking all the glass out right now.
Oops, there you go.
I'm gonna damage it more.
Dude, throw it off the mailbox. Throw it off that
We're gonna
mailbox.
have to be picking up glass.
Dude, I already got this stuff out right here.
It's still out. Is there any more glass? Dang, that's a lot of glass.
It's all crystal. It's all crystal glass. Glass is actually crystal. Crystal? Yeah, it's like a crystal. Oh, I'm using part of a chip. Microchip. Hey. Dude. Pure glass. Hey, Carson.
Dude, throw that in the trash somewhere.
One sec. That's funny. Carson, what?
We're gonna go chunk this in the trash and still damage the other side. Just the back of it, as you can see. Wow! Wow! Let me tell you one problem. I think this is my new one. I'm good at it.
Awesome.
We're still not done.
Dude, take your bracelet. Get it. Oh. Carson, wait up. Yeah, it's still on. Oh, that's my bandana up here. Here, Carson, hold this real quick. Carson, hold on.
It's not doing anything.
Whew. Carson, don't damage it anymore because I don't have it on camera right now. Carson.
Right, ready? Ready, y'all?
Can I at least damage it at least a little bit more times? Okay, dude, hold the camera. Hold the camera. Watch.
Oh, off of the mailbox. This is gonna be awesome. Okay, here we go. There's the iPod. And what's this? Throw it right there. Golly. Oh, the home button came out of it.
I want the home button.
If you can find it. And a bunch of glass.
Found the home button.
You did? Let's see it.
Little home button, people.
Here's the little home button thing.
Home button.
The home button. And look at all the glass from the bottom.
Hey guys, look. This is it before demolished. Here. After. This is before. After. Now. Hey. Hey, Carson.
So fun breaking iPods. And now. Oh, watch this. Watch. If you've seen. Hold it. If you've seen the video on YouTube, I throw it on the ground. Well, watch this. You give me a phone to call people? No, I throw it on the ground. Is this going on YouTube?
This is on YouTube, man.
It is?
Yeah, it's on YouTube.
Oh, I'm taking this apart right now.
Oh my. You did. Whoa, bro. You did. Hold it.
Oh, frick. Ow, ow.
That didn't hurt. It did want to demolish the other ones.
No, those are my dad's.
Oh. You did. Let's try this. Dude, save that for dude, we could save this for our next video because I can bring my pocket because you can bring this over to my house. I can use my pocket knife.
How about we use mine?
Dude, let me see that real quick.
Hold
Let
on.
me see that.
Ow.
Dude, let me see that. Carson.
Yeah. Whoa. Here's a microchip.
Cool.
See that?
Awesome.
There's the other side of it.
Here, Carson, let me see that. Carson,
Whoa, hold on.
look. The iPod's now a bipod. Bye-bye. Here, let me see that.
Bye, pod.
Hey, dude, watch. Ah. Carson, watch. Carson.
What?
Here, hold the camera. Carson. Hold the camera. Hold the camera. Now here.
Oh, give me it. I got an idea.
Dude, you're the one who's been demolishing it.
Okay, it's my iPod though. Yeah. Yeah? Wait, no. This got left there on the bus. It dropped.
Oh, there you guys.
Here.
Yeah.
And here we go.
Here to watch.
Give me it.
Okay, do you want
My
some?
mom's looking.
Here.
What?
Yeah.
Right now I'm trying to get... Look at all the glass. It came out.
Dude.
Sweet.
Here.
Whoa,
Take this.
wait. Trying to see what's under this black.
Hey, Carson, 1 sec. I'm gonna do something. Carson.
Yeah.
Here. Okay. Okay, Carson. I got the camera all set up right here. So Carson, hold thing like you would have a football for a kickoff. We're gonna kick it. No, over here. It needs to be in the camera. Hold it down.
Right.
Here, hold it down like right here to where. Hold it down to where out to where I'm not gonna kick you. Like here. All right, here we go. Have it right here.
It looks cool right there.
Hey, dude, have it like this. Right here, like that. Just hold it with one of your fingers. Oh. Oh.
What the frick?
What the freak? Dude,
Give me. Oh, actually, you can see the camera back here. The camera, you can see through it, kind of.
oh.
See?
I see you.
Oh, let's try to. Hey, this off button doesn't even push anymore.
Dude, maybe we could grab a sledgehammer or something.
You want to do it? Come on.
Dude, 1 sec. Carson, I'm having to carry. Carson, I'm having to hold some of your stuff. Look, I'm having to hold. Dude,
Sledgehammer.
dude. Whoa.
Ready?
Pip.
Come on.
Pip.
Wait. Basketball. We're gonna be playing basketball. I missed.
Here, Carson, let me try.
Hold on. Let me try again. 3-pointer.
Brick. Oh,
Oh.
it made it. Here, watch this.